Aviation Hiraya Regiment under Colonel Andre Santos formally received its newest aircraft, the short SD330 transport aircraft from Royal Star Aviation Incorporated on April 1, 2022, at Royal Star Aviation Hangar, Domestic Airport, General Aviation in Pasay City. The SD330 is a small, twin-engine, turboprop transport aircraft produced by Short Brothers. Its military version is called the C-23 Sherpa and was used by the United States Army during the recent Iraq War. It can accommodate 27 passengers and 3 aircrews. It is designed to operate from unpaved runways and make short takeoff and landings. The donation of the Short's SD330 aircraft will further develop the Aviation Regiment's special mission capabilities, allowing the rapid deployment of troops and equipment to support ground operations.